Dear student, this is the remaining part of the lesson Kurg. So see here, the fiercely independent people of Kurg are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. As one story goes, a part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled here when return became impractical. Here, impractical means not workable. These people married amongst the local and their culture is apparent. Here, apparent means evident. In the martial traditions, marriage and religious rites. Here, rite means rituals, which are distinct from the Hindu mainstream. The theory of Arab origin draws support from the log black coat mainstream means a tradition which most people follow. Black coat with an embroidered waist belt worn by Kodwas known as kufia. It resembles the kufia worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. So now in this author want to say that its people are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. As the story goes on that a part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled here since the return became impossible. So these people married the locals and adopted their rights. Even today, we can see some difference from the Hindu mainstream in that place. There is another theory of Arab origin that the Kodgas wear black coat with an embroidered waist belt known as kufia. It resembles the kufia worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. Now, in the next paragraph, see here, Kurg homes have a tradition of hospitality. It means welcome in a humble way. And they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of valor related to their sons and fathers. Tales of valor means stories of courage and bravery, usually in war. Okay, the Kurg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian Army, and the first chief of the Indian Army, General Karyappa, was a Kurgi. Even now, Kodwas are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. So, in this, author described about the Kurgis home are very hospitable. There are so many tales of value related to their sons and fathers. The Kurg regiment is famous in the Indian Army. Here regiment means part of army. General Karyappa, the first chief of Indian Army, was a Kurgi. Only the Kodgas are the people in India who are permitted to carry firearms without a license. They are famous for showing utmost bravery before the enemy. Now, next paragraph. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forest of Kurg. Mahasir, a large freshwater fish, abound in these waters. Kingfishers dive for their catch, while squirrels and langurs drop partially eaten fruit for the mischief of enjoying the splash and the ripple effect in the clear water. Elephants enjoy being bathed and scrubbed in the river by their mouths. Here, mouth means a person who control the elephant. So now, in this, author described that there flows the Kaveri river from the hills and forest of Kurg. And also in this river there are so many kinds of fish, and also describe different types of animals which are found in the forest. Fish like mahasir and kingfishers etc. are evident in these waters. Other creatures like squirrels, langurs, and elephants enjoy the splash and ripple effect in the clear water. The elephant can be seen bathing and their mouth scrub them.